Hey guys, this is FJ again, and I have another unboxing video for you guys. Ruroc was very kind to send me another helmet. The RG1-DX Ronin Asian Fit, and the size is a medium large. So my last helmet that they sent me was the Onyx, and the size was extra large, extra large Asian Fit, and before that was the Carbon medium large regular. So I was really curious to try medium large Asian Fit. Hopefully that would be the perfect fit for me, because I did feel that the extra large Asian Fit was a little loose, had a little bit of movement, but then the Carbon medium large regular was a little snug. I feel a little bit of a squeeze on the side of my face. Let's bust out again my classic trusty buck knife that I've had for all the unboxings that I've done for Ruroc. Let's see what this is. So far, the only unboxing I've ever done for YouTube has been for Ruroc, so hopefully they feel honored about that. The Ronin is a limited edition, and this is the box that it came with. RG1-DX Ronin Asian Fit Medium Large, official limited edition. It's not quite as nice as the box as my original unboxing of the RG1X Carbon. That one had a very premium box with etched out logos and everything like that, so I guess they're just cutting some costs. Makes sense. Ooh, there it is again, guys. You've got this premium cloth bag, which the Onyx did not have because the Onyx was in their standard line. A microfiber cloth with the Ruroc symbol. You've got your stickers. Got another Ruroc keychain / bottle opener. Stickers there. Survival guide there. That looks nice. Letting you guys appreciate that detail. Once again, guys, I see here the padded chin strap that the Onyx doesn't have. I appreciate that. It does add that level of comfort when you're riding. And again, their patented magnetic slide lock. Here we go. Just slide it up. And then I'm just gonna let it find it. And you're secure. So these goggles are the solid smoke black, premium ventilation. I did bring out the Onyx here for comparison. The Onyx goggle has 3 rubber strips for grip. Ronin goggle has 2 rubber strips for grip, but they are slightly thicker. In terms of anything else that I can notice, shape, design, even branding on the hinge, looks the same. Only difference I can see though from the clasps for the side is the material is slightly more matted. This has a slightly gloss finish to the latch, whereas the Ronin is more matted, just like the hinge here. And another difference I've noticed, the foam placement has a little bit of a plastic corner for the foam to sit around, whereas my Onyx does not have that. And you can see again, the placement of the foam looks to be above on the Onyx, whereas there is now a solid plastic frame on the Ronin. So just small details like that for a little bit more of a crisp look. Perhaps it's even more functional as well in terms of insulation. But in terms of the amount of foam, the design of the foam, it's pretty much the same goggle. Taking out the Ronin mask there, very samurai look to it. And you can see here that the Onyx has more of a narrow chin and a longer drop than the Ronin, and doesn't drop down as far. So the Ronin resembles more on the Carbon that I had in the past, and the Onyx, maybe they were trying a different mold for that line and switched it back to the original. The button that keeps the face mask in place was chromed out before, it had more of a metallic finish, and the Ronin now is matte black plastic for that latch. Above you have the Ronin, below you have the Onyx. Angle it so you guys can see the detailing in the felt insert. Something about the Onyx feels more substantial than the Ronin. Then again, I sized down with the Ronin, so that could be why. The shape of the Ronin mask on this side is smaller and shorter than the Onyx on this side. You guys can see that it doesn't come out as far. The Ronin is not as deep as the Onyx. The regular fit is not as wide as the Asian Fit. So from what they've explained to me, they would take the helmet and squeeze it front to back to attribute to most Asians who have a slightly flatter face and wider cheekbones. Another difference I noticed for the face masks, the Onyx has rubber gasket on the edge of the cheek line, whereas the Ronin on this side does not have that. It makes me wonder why they had removed that. Maybe they decided that the goggles were sufficient enough to block any air coming in between the face mask and the goggle. That is a function decision, definitely not just a visual design decision. very highly appreciate the fact that they changed the design of this locking mechanism to a button. Before, when it was like a hook type, it wasn't as smooth of a process to remove and put on the mask. And that's how the Ronin looks, guys, in its full form. Ronin on the left and Onyx on the right. Side to side comparison of the front, side, back, side, top, the bottom. And again, guys, this is another great angle for you to see. The extra large, extra large does shoot out farther than the medium large, even though these are technically both Asian fit. Alright guys, so the moment you've all been waiting for, gotta put this on. Just gonna remove the film off the goggles. Stretching out the sides. Oh, I was even able to do it with my glasses on. And right away, I can definitely feel the snugger fit around my cheeks here. Measurement wise, I'm supposed to be a medium large, and I thought maybe going with the Asian fit would even fit more comfortably than that, but I even feel that squeeze on my cheeks right now. Let me put the goggles on next. It does fit comfortably over my glasses. I don't really see the frames of my glasses. It's not really pushing down on the bridge of my nose. Let's see if the latch finds itself. Not like it's gonna need it, because this is a noticeably snug fit for me. And of course the mask. Lift up the cheeks. Hopefully you guys can hear me right now with this audio. Guys, it's a snug fit. I definitely feel the squeeze on my cheeks. If I bite my jaw, I feel that tension on the cheeks, so maybe I am an extra large, guys. I mean, I would still be happy to wear this helmet. I could lend it also to my friends with smaller heads. If you're wondering about these holsters, this is my LD West phone and wallet holster. I'll have the link in the description if you guys want to check that out. I have a full review of this holster in my FJ5 channel if you're curious. Removal of this. Really quick for the mask. Goggles off. Very easy slide off. Let's take it off. I'm going to pull on the sides. Avoid my earrings. And there you go, it's off. Let's just really quickly put on the Onyx for comparison. It was a lot easier because of that extra space on the cheeks. Goggles on, get that chin strap, and face mask. Alright. So again, you get this slightly loose movement, but it's definitely suits me better, guys, when I want to wear my balaclava underneath this helmet, so I have a bit more warmth for my neck and my face instead of air coming in from there. I will say, guys, that I still prefer the extra large. One last thing I want to do, guys, is test the fit of this Shockwave Bluetooth audio system with the Ronin. Pulling out the Shockwave Bluetooth audio system from the Onyx, and we're going to replace it inside the Ronin. I'm not sure if this is based on size as well. Oh, they did have additional Velcro options for the rear. I didn't even see that until now, guys. So right off the bat, I do notice that the Bluetooth insert here, the fit is a lot more snug. I'm not sure if it is a one size fits all. I'll verify that when I check the box. But there you have it, guys. That's my Shockwave Bluetooth audio system inserted in my medium large Ronin. That also did fit in my extra large Onyx. I still feel that squeeze on my cheeks. I wouldn't say it's uncomfortable. Like right now I notice it. I'm wondering if throughout the day if that's something that's going to be an issue that I would get bothered with or not. Alright, there you guys have it. The Ruroc RG1-DX Ronin medium large Asian fit with the Shockwave Bluetooth audio system. Definitely much more of a snug fit with this sizing. The Onyx does have a little bit of a loose wiggle to it, but it's noticeably more comfortable for me, for my face. Let me know what you guys think. If you like this design, if you guys have picked up another limited edition, Ruroc's always pumping out new designs. Their motorcycle line looks amazing, and it's been receiving a mix of reviews, but I've seen some really positive reviews about their Atlas motorcycle helmets. What do you guys think? Do you guys like the Ronin? Do you guys prefer the Onyx? I am still partial to the Onyx. Love that gloss finish, solid black, really stark look, but the Ronin looks pretty sick as well. Alright guys, thank you for watching. As always, if you like this video, please click the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when my next video is coming out. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. Share your stories with your Ruroc helmet, or if you guys have any questions before you want to make a purchase, feel free to ask me below. Check out the links in the description of this video, guys. Thank you again for watching. Until next time, peace.